in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the voice overlay settings on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Mac or Apple logo in the menu bar, and then select where it says System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, if you scroll down underneath Motor, there should be something that says Voice Control. Go ahead and select that. And where it says Overlay, go ahead and click inside this field. You can do either item numbers, item names, or numbered grid, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.